Revolt Junior on phone. In this video, we are going to learn how to pay on Revolt Junior on phone. So let's get started. First, you can pay through Google Pay. Revolt Junior cards are now compatible with Google Pay. If your child has an Android phone, they can add their Revolt Junior card to Google Pay and make contactless payments at any store that accepts Google Pay. The next method is here is how to add your Revolt Junior card to Google Pay. First, open the Google Pay app on your child's phone, then tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Select Add Card, point your phone's camera at your child's Revolt Junior card or manually enter the card details. Then, enter the expiration date and CVV code. Review the cardholder information and ensure it matches your child's name. Follow the on-screen instruction to verify your identity. This may involve entering a code sent to your parents' Revolt app. Once verified, your child's Revolt Junior card will be added to Google Pay. To pay with Google Pay, your child can double-click the side button on their phone, select the Revolt Junior card from their Google Pay wallet, and then hold their phone near the contactless payment terminal. That's how you can easily pay through Revolt Junior on your phone.